Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro and Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got a problem, for example, with Google Chrome. So I'm trying to open it, but it keeps crashing, etc. So what I highly recommend to do first is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on More Features. Then let's go to App Info, and here there are two things which I highly recommend to do. So first of all, the storage usage. Let's go here. And as you can see, we've got something called cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they might interfere and sometimes cause some problems with opening, etc. So first of all, tap on Clear Cache, and your device will remove it immediately. You can try to restart your device, for example, and open the Chrome, but I also highly recommend to simply tap on Force Stop here, because if your device is running the Chrome or any other app in the background, it might also interfere the proper usage. So simply tap on Force Stop, and now you can be sure that that it is not running in the background, and you can try to open it. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to repeat those steps, so removing cache and Force Stop, and try to restart your device, which kind of confirms all of the changes. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because let's be honest, sometimes older versions of the apps might have some problems. So simply go to the Play Store, tap on Search, and here enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. And here your device will show you the options which you've got. In my case, I've got my Google Chrome updated. However, if the update is available, your device will for sure show it to you. Somewhere here, it should show update. So I highly recommend to tap on it. However, I have to be honest, because sometimes this option also might not work. Why? Because after downloading newer version, your device will overwrite the newer version over the older one, and sometimes this process might cause some problems, etc. So what I highly also recommend to do is to simply come back to the section here, tap on uninstall your app completely, and then install it again. And here what happens is that your device will immediately and directly download the newest version, and it will also directly install it. So there is no overwriting, etc. And sometimes it will be a better option. And as a last resort, what I highly recommend to do from time to time is to check for the software updates, because if you've got the older software, then it also might have some problems with the newest apps. And all you have to do to check for the software update is to open the settings, and then go to System and Update, so at the very bottom, and go to Software Update, and here your device will check for the updates. If you've got any kind of update, I highly recommend to download it and install. And it's not only because of the app and your desire to make it work, but also it is for the security of your data and your whole device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.